Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a few mods that makes AC Revolution looks great. If you watched my gameplay showcase, then there's no need to explain. Now, to get started, I'm going to install this. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one as administrator. I'm gonna copy games folder. This is the graphics mod. Paste. Next. Install. Next I have hook blade, corner flip, counter mod. We also have this AC Brotherhood skin mod. This is optional. I don't always use it, but for the sake of installation tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install it. So to install this, you're gonna need a tool called Anvil. Okay, you can get it from Nexus like this, like so, and you can download it from here. Now I'm gonna open Anvil here, and now I'm gonna select AC Revolution. Now in your case, you're gonna have to press this edit button and then choose the path to executable, which is here. After choosing, wait, no, that's not the executable acrsp.exe, this one. Now press OK, then double click on this, and now you're gonna have this folder. Alright, I'm gonna right click on these three and then extract to smart new folder. Alright, I'm gonna start with AC Brotherhood, this one. So how you're gonna get this is by this. So here it is. I downloaded this version, but there's a lot of versions. There's one with old head but Brotherhood outfit. You can choose that as well. Now I'm gonna look for datapc.forge in this folder, in AC Revolution folder. For example, we have a datapc.forge. So I'm gonna double click on this, and you can see there's a lot of file inside. I'm gonna go back again, and then I'm going to look for Data PC Extra Forge. Double click on it, and you have this. Now let's go back. Okay, going back to AC Revolution folder, which is a game folder, I have extracted folder. Go inside it, and you see these two. What I'm going to do is select these and then drag. Okay, and then I'm going to go to corner flip. I'm going to drag this as well. I'm going to go to counter swap. I'm going to go to data PC, because according to readme you need to put it in data PC forge. So drag it. Now I'm going to go back. Remember, I'm going to have to go to the extracted folder, then Control A. Wait, it doesn't work that way. Okay. Right click and press repack. You can see it in the console. It's being repacked. Then right click on PC Extra and repack, and it's repacked. Now in case you don't like these and you want to revert back to original Ezio mod and all the old animation, you can go to backup folder, which is created by this Anvil tool, and you can copy these two and then paste them into the main folder like that. Okay, so we have this in the game folder. Actually, you have this backup folder, so you're seeing your game folder through Anvil. It's the backup folder. You can just copy and then paste it in here, and then replace these. Now copying these is done, repacking is done as well. I'm gonna close this. Now I can run through this or this one. Okay, so double click on it, and let's wait for the game to load. Now in the game you have certain game graphics settings that you can opt for maximum graphics and fidelity and also support. AC Revolution has 3D depth buffer issue with Reshade. So every time you open the game, you need to check a certain option, and I'm going to show you how to do that, which one to check. Let's go in the game. I'm going to go to story mode and start the game. I'll have to grab a controller because apparently my keyboard has a problem now. Alright, now what you're going to do is press home, select ACB day, which is good for majority of the time. I'm going to go to add-ons, clicking on depth, and then I'm going to press this. Yes, the middle one. Now you can see the RTX is working, and you can look at the trees and his clothes. They're pretty cool. Look at the material. They have this satin kind of effect and so HD because of the graphics mod. And let me check if the outfit mod is working. So I'm going to go to inventory. I'm going to go to outfit. I'm going to choose. Look at that. I do have this one. I need to accept. I'll show you the graphics setting, and I'm also going to enable HUD. So here's Ezio. You can look at, I forgot the name, what do you call it, courtesans. So they have changed. A lot of materials here. Everywhere you look, it's changed, and there's blue flowers, so you can notice the clothes. It's been changed. It means the texture mod is working now. I'm going to option, graphics, and here's the settings that I use. I can increase it. That's no problem. High, maximum. There it is. Now go back, press accept. I'm going to hard, and I'm going to enable them all. Okay. Oops. Now let's see if ray tracing is working. Turning off, turning on. This one fits perfectly. I'm gonna go try the corner flip mod and see if it's working. To do the corner flip, I need to find a lantern, a hanging lantern. There it is. I'm gonna do the corner flip. The moment you reach out for the lantern, you press B or shift, which is the drop button. So let's try it. There we go. It's such a cool mod. So there it is. If you like this, you can subscribe. There's a lot more tutorial for graphics modding and even fixes. Oh, and in case you have, I'm sure there's tutorial all around the internet, but in case you have flickering issue, you have this system detection. Yeah, I already deleted it. So here you're gonna have this system detection DLL, and you just, yeah, if it's a problem you can just delete it if you have any flickering issue, but that's it.